I'll be back. I'll be back. Okay?
What do you think, Peach?
I put my shoes out
Yeah?
and these out. That was that. Attack me.
Close up. Close up.
Yeah. Oh, great. Hey. Yeah, you're the office now too. It's your fault. I'm leaving, huh? Ooh. Oh, yeah. Thanks, Amy. Great.
Boy, your office is so neat and tidy.
Look at that. I'm just on warpath. Hi.
Hi.
You're. Look at this, she's circling around. Close. Isn't that funny?
Ooh, scary. Ooh, scary. Oh, no, don't bite me. Oh, no. Hi. Daddy has to go. We're going to go play pool. Is that okay with you? No.
So, no. Look at this.
I know.
Funny?
Maybe we'll have to take a rain check.
I think so. There's no way. I can't do that.
Okay, so.
Okay, we're not going. I'll put all my clothes back. Okay.
I think it's best. Okay, we'll stay home.
Yeah.
We'll stay home.
I'm not going anywhere.
You won, Peach. You won, Peach. You won. You won. We're not going to go anywhere. We're not going anywhere.
I'll put everything
We're gonna.
away.
That's right. We're gonna stay home, Peach. We're gonna stay home.
Holy smokes.
Yay! Yay, Peach! You get to keep the daddy. You get to keep the daddy. You won. You won. You won, Peach.
Warpath.
Ah, you won! Yay!
Holy smokes.
Yay, Peach!
I've never seen this.